open like a gasket. Now be plain to see that you couldn't kill the BSC. One more time with a zombie fucking rhyme, cause there's one more time for me to eat your mind. So I better move quickly and I use no haste, cause your fucking brains is what I love to taste. Looking for me, a familiar place, and then I fucking see a familiar face. The hunger setting in, I'm getting kinda sick. I need some fucking brains, yo, what up, toxic? Eat your brains, eat your brains. Zombie motherfuckers come to eat your brains.
Chillin' in my shack and I'm all alone when the BSC showed up to see the toxic one. I thought he had some good weed, and a friend in need is a friend indeed. I thought we were gonna smoke trees, but all he did was look at me with the look on his face like he wanted to kill me. Then he fucking bit me and made me see that all he really wanted was some brains to eat. And now I'm hungry for some brains to taste, so we're on our way to Crazy K, the pumpkin face. Eat your brains, eat your brains. Zombie motherfuckers come to eat your brains.
BSC got the jump start. He ripped my head apart, my shadow's gone, there ain't no thumping in my heart. The brain, it was consumed by the zombie ninja pimp. I must keep chewing through your skull until your body limp. Even though your room is dark, I'm still inside. I wanna get into your scalp and see what I can find. A blood red moon creeps deeper in the darkness. Catch me in a murder state, feasting on a carcass. Blood on the floor, all over the Ouija boards. Eating on brains while spirits following the hordes. Even though it's blood I need, I'll take a little time to peel back your wig and take a bite out of your mind. Eat your brains, eat your brains. Zombie motherfuckers come to eat your brains. Trusting is my motherfucking name. When I met BSC, I already had a taste for brains. He ripped out the can opener and peeled back my skull just the same. Am I insane? The blood in my vein drains. I'm feeling strange, deranged and stiff. I wanna make a double barrel bubble brain bong and take a rip. Pass it around to the cryptic ninja click. Northwest land of the sick. Carve a hole in your dome and take a sip, while we drag your remains to the crypt. And we'll eat your brains, eat your brains, eat your brains. Zombie motherfuckers come to eat your brains.